Good morning, students. Welcome back. Till now, we have completed two chapters, not chapters, one poem and one lesson. We have completed two topics of our syllabus. I think you must have understood, right? And now today we are going to start with third topic. We are going to start with third topic, and the name of the topic is recess. Do you remember what we have studied in first poem? Yes, rain in the night. First poem was what about rain in the night? It rains whole night, and then what is condition, and then how does poetess want to help those small pencils, that we studied in first poem. After that, in second lesson we studied about the fables. Fables means short stories which were told by Aesop. So in this way we have completed two topics, and there are so many students, those who have not completed their homework of English. I can see your homeworks on WhatsApp, and there are many students, they are not completing their work. Just keep in mind, if you are going to delay or if you are not going to complete your homework daily, it is going to become a burden on you. Just keep in mind, this syllabus which we are taking now, this is regular school. You just understand and think on it. Please do not take it lightly, okay? Just don't take it lightly. Okay, let it be, when we will go in school, that time we will do our studies. No, this syllabus will not be taken again. We are teaching you, we are telling you to complete your homeworks. Please prepare your notebooks and complete your work on time. Okay? Now let us start with our poem. The name of our poem is Recess. What do you understand by the word recess? What do you understand by word recess? What is meaning of recess? Have you heard any time this word in your school? Because we hear this word in our school, correct? Whenever there are 3 periods, then there is something short period. Again there are 2 periods, then again there is something. What it is called, that something? It is called break. Are you understanding? What do you say for that? You say for that short break, right? You remember? Yes, we have short break, we have lunch break, we have short recess. Are you understanding or not? Recess means what? The break between school classes. Whenever we have classes, that time we have 2 breaks in our school. How many breaks are there? There are 2 breaks. 9 o'clock we come in school, we have assembly. After assembly we have first period. After first period we have second period. After second period we have third period. And then after third period what we have? We have break. That break is called which break? That is called lunch break. Are you understanding or not? That is called lunch break. Then we have, after lunch break we have 4th period. Then we have 5th period. We have 6th period. After 6th period what we have? We have short break. First break was what? Lunch break. What was first break? It was lunch break. What it was? First break which was there, that was lunch break. Second break which we had after 6th period, that is short break, right? And that short break is only called recess. What it is called? Recess. And this we are going to study about the short break which is there in our school classes. We are going to learn more about that short break in today's poem. Okay? Now, here is a poem. Here are written poem. Girls and boys make lots of noise and run and jump and laugh and shout, while here and there, with quiet air, groups of children walk about. A game begins, but no one wins. Although they play with might and main, for long before the game is over, the bell rings out for school again. Okay, this is a short poem which we are going to study today. So now I'll explain you this poem in short. Girls and boys make lots of noise. Makes lot of noise. Now, who is there in school? There are boys and girls. Boys and girls. What is there? Boys and girls are there in school. Teachers are there. Peons are there. Aunties are there. But who makes noise? Boys and girls. So here it is told that girls and boys make lots of noise. What do they make? They make lots of noise. They scream, they shout, they laugh, they jump, they beat, they push each other. Correct or not? This all business is done in school. They study, they write, they smile. Sometimes they cry when teacher beats them. So these all things goes in the school. So here it is told that girls and boys make lots of noise. What do? They make lot of noise in the school. And jump, they and run and jump and laugh and shout. They do 4 things. These 4 things we don't have to teach for students. Do I have to teach you how to jump? Do I have to teach you to laugh? Do I have to teach you to dance? Do I have to teach you to run? Do I have to teach you to shout? No. That comes naturally. Yes or no? You start shouting naturally, you shout naturally, you laugh naturally, you jump naturally, you run naturally. Yes, correct or not? And that is only your age. If you will not jump, if you will not laugh, if you will not run, then it is like this, that you have not enjoyed your childhood. You should enjoy it. But along with that, you should be disciplined. Yes or no? You should be disciplined. You should follow discipline of the school. Some rules and regulations are there. That also you have to follow. So here it is told that girls and boys make lots of noise and run and jump and laugh and shout. What they do? They run, correct? They jump, right? They laugh and they also shout. While here and there. Here and there means what? Sometimes they are in the class, sometimes they are in the corridors. After some time, if there is a PT period, they are on the ground. Correct or not? If once PT period is getting over, then there is a canteen near playground, then they are going in canteen, buying something to eat. Again they come, they hide tables in their pocket. Then they come inside the class. When they come inside the class, then they try to remove that chocolate outside and eat. Yes or no? But then at that time only, who points out you? Teacher. What teacher says you? Come on, get up. What are you eating? Who is asking you? Teacher is asking you. And then teacher will tell you to go out. Go outside of the class, stand outside, touch your toes. All such things goes on in the school. They jump, they run, they shout, they laugh. Where? Here and there in the school campus. Where? In the school campus. With quiet air. With quiet air means looking quiet. They roam here, they laugh. Some students are there. When teacher is writing something, they talk with each other or they crack jokes, they laugh with each other and they enjoy. Teacher is writing. As soon as we will look back what they are doing, they will sit quiet. As soon as the teacher will turn, they will start. They will start talking, they will start cracking jokes, they will laugh. This all business goes in a quiet manner. In which manner? In a quiet manner. Okay. So here it is told that girls and boys make lots of noise and run and jump and laugh and shout. While here and there. With quiet air. With quiet air. Groups of children walk about. A game begins, but no one wins. Now just imagine groups of children. What they do? They walk about. For example, we all come together, make a line. There is one line of boys, there is one line of girls. What we do? We come together and what we do? We go on the ground. And once we go on the ground, what starts? Game starts. Now let it be, we will take example of one game. For example, volleyball. We will take the example of one game. Name of that game is volleyball. So then boys will start playing volleyball. Others will cheer. Cheer means what? They will clap their hands and they will say, yes, my friend should win. The team of my friend should win. Our team should win. And the game starts. But no one wins. Why no one wins? What is the reason behind that? Here it is shown. Groups of children walk about. A game begins, but no one wins. Although they play with might and main. Even if they play with might and main is more with lot of strength, with all their strength. They have lot of strength, they have lot of power, they have lot of energy, they have lot of power. But when they play with the might and main, what happens? No one wins. What is reason behind that? What is reason behind that no one wins? Is there any reason? Yes, there is one reason, because every period has some limitations. Correct or not? Our periods are of 35 minutes. Our periods are of 35 minutes. So when we go on ground and play for 35 minutes, what happens? Game begins, but no one wins. What is the reason behind that? Here it is called groups of children walk about. A game begins, but no one wins. Although they play with might and main. Now students are playing with lot of strength. What they do? They are playing with lot of strength. Yes, but then what is wrong? Why they are not winning? What is the reason behind that no one wins? What is the reason? For long before the game is over, the bell rings out for school again. Understood? तुम्हाला समजलं का थोडंफार? What happened? We have 35 minutes for one class or one period. Correct? First period, second period, third period. And if your third period is of PT period, you take 5 minutes to go from here till ground. Right? When you go on ground, then you make teams. Again more 5 minutes go. After that you start with game and you start playing. For example, volleyball, you start playing volleyball and then smash is going on, points are going on, you are playing. But what happens? 10-15 minutes goes in that only, and your period is of total 35 minutes. When your period is of 35 minutes, from that 30 minutes, how many minutes goes in? Now for 5 minutes you are taking to go on ground, 5 minutes you are taking to come inside the classroom. So you get only 25 minutes, and in that 25 minutes you fight with your friends, you shout, scream, and then what happens? Even if you are playing with lot of strength, what happens? The game has to be stopped. We have to stop that game in between. What we have to do? We have to stop that game in between, and bell rings. Which bell rings? There is a period bell. Yes or no? Who gives bell in our school? Bhosle Mama. Correct or not? Yuvraj Bhosle Mama. What he does? After every one period, he goes over there and he gives bell. Correct? And even our college is also having electric bell. And then what happens? Teachers are changing their period, and when you go on ground, when you walk on ground and you start playing game, what happens? You play with lot of strength, you play with lot of support and support of your friends. So many people supports you. But in between only bell rings, and as soon as bell rings, you have to make line immediately. What your PT teachers are saying you, what the sir is saying you, what the guard sir is saying you. Come on, stand. Wind up. Remaining game you will play next day. Come on, make line. Yes or no? Tie your hands back and start walking in the class. So this is the thing. What happens when game becomes more interesting? At that time only bell rings and no one wins. Yes or no? So in this way, there is a poem given of recess. Poem given of recess. Now in short recess, what do you do? As soon as bell ring of short recess, you run, you chase, you run and go on ground. And then what happens? You start playing with your friends. You play hide and seek. You chase each other. you push each other, correct or not? There are groups in each and every class, right? And you start playing, and when the game becomes more interesting, at that time only short recess is getting over. And as soon as short recess gets over, what happens? You have to rush in the class. Before that, you have to rush in the washroom, correct or not? You have to go for toilet, you have to wash your hands in sink. If you have to drink water, there is drinking water places, so you have to go and drink water, you have to fill your bottles. This is all business you do in recess, right? So it is told that in break you play, in break what all things you do? You laugh, you jump. I gave you example of one period. For example, if you go on in PT period, when you go on ground, what happens? In short recess also, if a break is of 35 minutes, now our lunch break is of 35 minutes, then what you do? You eat fast. You take chapati, vegetable, eat fast. As soon as in 10 to 15 minutes you finish your tiffin, and then you show teacher, my tiffin is finished. Can I go out? And immediately you run with your friends outside and you start playing. What do? You start playing, you make teams, and then you start playing something. There are very funny games. Small games are there, that games you play. Ups, something ups is there, and then you beat each other. Something like that game is there in 4th standard and 5th standard I have seen. If you sit on the bench, they say ups means you should stand, and then if you are not standing, then they beat you. So such type of games you play in recess. Yes or no? Yes. And in this way, what all things happens in short break, that we have studied in this poem. Okay? I will just read some word meanings for you. Recess. First one, recess. Recess means the break between school classes. Second, with quiet air means looking quiet. Third one is with might and main means what? With all their strength. Fourth word which is given is O apostrophe ER. What is meaning of this word? Meaning of that word is over. OVER, over. Okay, in this way we have 4 meanings in this poem, and you should know meanings of these all words. With might and main means what? With all their strength. Okay, remaining poem we will take in next period. Okay, thank you.